या देवी सर्वभूतेषु छायारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कृष्णरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै।
Namaskar. Welcome to Dakshaja, a 6-day-long virtual festival of dance and audiovisual presentations celebrating the rich and diverse forms of Goddess Durga. It's a collaboration of Lok Chanda with South Asian Multi-Art Agency, Glasgow. The first 2 days of the festival have been a tremendous success, and I hope today, the third day, is enjoyed by all too. Durga Puja celebrations are full of emotions and joy. A festival worth waiting for a whole year. It brings back so many memories that I get goosebumps even while talking to you about it. So today, first of all, we have for you Sri Bikram Ghosh, the famous musician and composer, a magician with sounds and rhythm, who will talk to you about his feelings and experiences of Durga Puja. Then we have for you an audio-visual presentation by Sangeeta Banerjee. That is followed by Bindu, choreographed by Sandeep Malik in Kathak style. Dancers are Surashri Bhattacharya and Anushua Majumdar. After that, we have for you Nostalgia, choreographed by Swapnukalpa Dasgupta. The dancers are Subhashri Dattarabelu, Anushri Chatterjee, Sandipta Talukdar, Padmaja Bhagat, and Sushmita Dam. And in the end, we have for you Devi Adi Parashakti. It's a Lok Chanda presentation in Mayur Bhanj Chhau style, choreographed by Rajesh Sai Babu. And the dancers are Sunil Mehra, Govind Godial, Pradeep Kumar, Atif, and Rahul Ray. So let the celebration begin.
Durga Puja to us Bengalis and otherwise means the world. For the Bengali, from one's childhood, one has grown up idolizing Ma Durga. The experience of the 4 days of the puja, in fact, starting from Mahalaya right until Doshami, is something which we associate our childhood, our youth with. For me, it's no less than that. I remember my growing years in Kolkata and enjoying wearing new clothes every day, eating great food, being participatory in the Para Pujo, Adda sessions with friends and elders also. When I was a young man, then I was traveling, and when I used to travel, I used to miss Durga Puja. That too was important because it showed me how much I cared. Nowadays, I love the din of the Thak, the smell, the ambience of Sharad. And the best part is when Durga Puja is coming, and the worst is when it's gone. So yes, it is one of the most beautiful experiences one can have as a Bangali. Maitri Pahadi's festival Dakshaja is a very, very noble endeavor, and I believe will help many people in need in these pandemic times, including the Thakis. Congratulations to Maitri, and let's hope your festival is a big, big success. Joy Ma Durga.
দশন বিদ্যুৎ বিভা দিগন্তে খেলা তোমার নিঃশ্বাসে খুশি নিভে রবি নিবে শশী শতলক্ষ তারকার নীতি নিভে যায় প্রচণ্ড উল্লাসে মেতে জগতের শ্মশানেতে প্রেম শতজনগণ ঘুরে ছুটে ছুটে নিদারুণ উল্লাসে প্রতিমুহূর্তে ত্রাসে ভক্তমণ্ডল তারা নির্দেব প্রলয় করো করো সুর নর চারিপাশে মানবের আকুল বিহার মহাদেব নিবেদিত চণ্ড চণ্ড